Okay.
Are legal aid lawyers real lawyers? Yes. I went to university for quite a few years to be able to say yes. Of course we're real lawyers.
I had a client once we got a good result for. He said, "Oh, mate, you should be a lawyer." I said, "Oh, mate, I am a lawyer." He said, "Oh, really? I thought you worked for legal aid." And I thought, well, that's a fairly good summary.
It's such a competitive organisation to get into. It's the largest law firm in New South Wales. The training and on-the-job training and colleagues that we work with are exceptional, and I don't know where this comes from that we're not real lawyers.
We are specialist lawyers in our area of practice. You know, I only do crime and I've done it for years, and you've done family for many more years than me. Legal aid's also really heavily involved in training other lawyers about the law, so I know that we're real lawyers.
We're all real lawyers. Yeah. It's a matter for you who you want to use.
That's right.
I think we are as real as it gets. The calibre of lawyers in terms of expertise and their skills, empathy, the grassroots kind of lawyers are the ones that you're going to find at Legal Aid. So are there real lawyers? Yes.
There's this notion which really disappoints me. People think legal aid lawyers are not real lawyers, or they're not good lawyers. Best lawyers that I've ever worked with have been in legal aid.
We work with the smartest lawyers.
Absolutely.
The lawyers who care the most about their clients.
It is without hesitation that I say legal aid lawyers are absolutely real lawyers, and some of the lawyers I work with are the most inspiring lawyers I've ever met.
As a legal aid lawyer, what do you stand for? I think the most important thing is access to justice.
Those that are disadvantaged, the underdog, people that need a voice, and I advocate for them.
I stand for dignity, respect, fairness.
I stand for social justice. I stand for my clients.
It sounds so corny, but to make a difference, where I can improve that situation for someone else, where there's a power imbalance.
But I do always proudly say I'm a legal aid lawyer to distinguish myself from other types of lawyers, because when you say you're a legal aid lawyer, you are talking about your values.
I feel like I win all my cases because I do what I do to the best of my ability, and that's all anyone can ask for.
I always explain it by saying that we do human rights work.
Just a continued motivation in being able to recognise where those disadvantages lie and just continue to fight the good fight.
I stand for my family. I stand for my community. I stand for the children that I represent. And I stand for the justice that they're all asking for in the family law system.